Mr. Pat Melton, I just received the 11th of January that you helped me out. The plaintiff, the people who are trying to steal my home, stated in court that you refused to serve an order to put me out. I just want to say thank you. I know something happened, but it just happened to be their attorneys to let me know what happened. I see that you understand how important it is of making sure that this comes out, how true that it is. I sent you a package of information, just like I presented in court on the 11th of January. Similar information. Judge Shepard said that I did not lie at least twice in that meeting, in that hearing. And so they mentioned that you and your office would not serve that order. Like I said, you understand that it is illegal. You are a law enforcement officer. I've generally always respected the law. I had many friends, at least I thought, I hope they still are, that are still in law enforcement and retirees. I have nothing against y'all. But I appreciate what you did, and I thought that I would mention this because I had mentioned you in a negative light before. And I'll mention this in a positive. Judge Shepard is sending y'all out to commit a crime. I don't believe most of the sheriffs even know, the deputies even know how illegal this is. But you know now. I was in court the 11th of January. Judge Shepard lied to me approximately 12 times in 13 minutes. And I've been presenting clips of that. And I have some clips of where the lawyer mentioned your office would not serve or would not set me out. I also have where Judge Shepard, his world has fell apart. He said that it is debt, sin and trespass is not the definition of debt. Now, I'm going to show you some evidence, some clips of the documentation that I presented in court. And he has completely lost it. And this is very, very important because if a law enforcement officer robs a bank, he's not protected by the law. His shield is down. If he, God forbid, he kills his wife for the insurance money, he's not protected by the law. When he commits extortion, he is not protected by the law. So thank you again. And I intend to take down those negative posts. You have to give me a little while to find them all, but I'm intending to take each and every one of them down that had your name attached to it. And I appreciate that again. Judge Shepard I got him to say that debt wasn't illegal nor was it immoral. And if it was, it had nothing to do with this. And also have some documentation showing that it does. Mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, loved ones of law enforcement officers. Ask your loved ones to check to see if they are committing a crime or not. All they have to do is go down to the local library, check most of your dictionaries at your house. Is it the definition sin and debt? Sin and trespass? Because sin is immoral. Trespass is illegal and immoral. And they say debt is illegal and immoral. Now you can see why Judge Shepard, Judge Wingate, and all the rest of them would deny this. They want you to stay asleep in this matter. They want you to stay asleep so that they can continue to steal. And you say, well, I'll borrow the money, yeah, but it was illegal for you to do so. It was illegal. Debt is illegal. It's a crime. So they should never have a system out there. You can go get money, you could give it back to them. And if you want to continue to sin, if you want to continue to have debt, pay debt or whatever, that's fine. I'm not saying not to pay your debts if that's what you want to do. You go right ahead, do what you got to do. You cannot be forced to commit a crime of sin and trespass. I'm going to present the evidence of debtor. Where I found it at, where you can look it up for yourself, you can find that a debt contract is a illegal contract. All you have to do is Google illegal and immoral contract. But I found it, and I'm going to put it on this clip that you're about to see. An illegal contract, it is as if the contract never existed. So, and if you can prove that that contract is linked to something illegal or immoral, that it would not be attached. Also, I'm about to show you that in the source of debt, it tells you that debt is a breach of contract, and it is a crime. So then you go back and you listen to what Judge Shepard said, and now you can see why. And he's doing this, and now he's gotten to the point where he is just rattling out lies, just as. But before he did, I got him to say that my affidavits was true. I got him to say that in that hearing. So if they are true, then there is no way that they can carry on this madness legally. Now you know that they can't. So, check out the clips that I'm about to present. And thank you again, Mr. Pat Melton.
I don't have a motion in front of me from plaintiff, but they have the right to have you removed from the premises, but that's not before the court today.
Actually, it was before the court. Back in the order was entered in June.
I haven't seen any motion. If you want to bring a motion to enforce the court's order, you need to file a motion.
Okay. Well, I've been trying to
I have no idea he hadn't vacated the premises.
Yeah.
It's up to you to bring that before the court.
Well, that's why I've been in touch with the sheriff's office, and they claim that they've talked to him, and he won't vacate, and they talk to you. And
if you want the court to take action, you need to file a motion and give Mr. Griggs notice, and we'll address that. But
absolutely.
That's not before the court today. So if you want to bring that before the court, you have the right to do that.
But it's the definition states that it's illegal of the word debt. Are you denying that as well?
Yes, sir.